In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify forms. First, let's get started by heading over to the Shopify website. Once you're there, navigate to the search bar and look for Shopify forms. You can alternatively go to the apps section in your Shopify admin and select Shopify App Store to find it. Once you've located the Shopify Forms app, click Add App and then Install. This seamless integration will help simplify your workflow and keep everything organized. Once it's installed, open the Shopify Forms app. On the main dashboard, look for the Create Form button and give it a click. You'll then be prompted to decide between a pop-up form or an inline form. Each format has its unique advantages, so consider what would be most effective for your store. For this tutorial, I'm choosing the pop-up form as it captures immediate attention from visiting customers. Next, it's time to create and name your form. Select a name that clearly indicates its purpose and makes it easy to locate later. After naming your form, click on Create. Your next choice is in the pop-up display section, where you need to choose between a floating or overlay display type. For this example, I'll go with the overlay option, which helps keep the form visible without being obstructive. Navigation through the options menu will bring you to the teaser section. Here, you decide what you want your teaser to say, perhaps a catchy headline or special offer. Don't forget to input an engaging title for your form. Something like, "Sign up now and get 20% discount" could work wonders. Now, let's move on to customizing the fields your customers will fill out. By default, you might have fields like first name, last name, birthday, and email. To add more fields, simply click Add New Field and customize according to your needs. Shopify also provides options for email marketing consent and a customizable submit button, which you should adjust to match your brand voice. Once that's set, the next section deals with the form's success page. You have options to either show a success message or redirect the customer to another page after submission. It's also possible to display a discount, giving your customers an incentive right away. Remember, a thank you message combined with a discount code can create a lasting impression. Styling options are next, allowing you to tweak colors and typography to match your brand. You'll also find an option to upload a background image. Finally, review sections like behavior, languages, tags, email notifications, and automations. Tailor these to suit your store needs, but for a simple form, the defaults should suffice. Before finishing up, click Save. A crucial step is ensuring your form is active, so check whether it says Turn Form On or Turn Form Off in the top right corner. Now, return to your Shopify dashboard, navigate to Online Store, and click the eye icon. This action will redirect you to your live Shopify store. If you followed these steps correctly, your new form should pop up when you visit the store, providing an engaging user experience right from the start.